You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this German physicist, dynamist, aerospace scientist, and famous for naming the number that is named after him in mathematics. Stay tuned if you want to learn more names. Ludwig, that's German pronunciation here. Ludwig Prandtl. Ludwig Prandtl. Therefore, in English, it's pronounced, you can say Ludwig. Some pronounce it as Ludwig. Prandtl. Ludwig Prandtl. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.